If you are using the link given in the description box to buy these products, I would ask you to use this coupon code as well. Hi guys, namaste. Welcome to 9 Mentions. Before getting into the video, do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much. Hope you all are doing fine. Today I have with me an anti-hair fall kit from the brand Neem Ayu Effective Ayurveda. This is basically my delight box. And inside this box we have an anti-hair fall shampoo, an anti-hair fall oil and anti-hair fall capsules. Neem Ayu is a premium Ayurveda based personal care brand. It stands for Effective Ayurveda, and this is basically based on Ayurvedic granthas and made with choicest herbs and a proven Ayurvedic process. Neem Ayu is launched by a team of Ayurvedic experts and believers. So coming back to these three products. So let's start with the oil. This is the Neem Ayu Anti-Hair Fall Oil. This has no mineral oil or artificial color, and this is paraben free. This has Brahmi, this has Methi, this has Jatamansi. This also has hibiscus. This will promote hair growth and this will prevent hair loss. So you have to take this oil and massage it on your scalp. Just focus mainly on the scalp, but you have to focus on areas where there is like less hair. You have to focus there and massage it gently and wash it off after 3 to 4 hours. And if you want, you can keep it overnight as well. But then wash it off, and then you have to use this twice a week to see the best results. This oil smells very good. This has a very nice, Ayurvedic kind of a fragrance. You'll feel like you are getting a spa done, that kind of a fragrance this has. So let's see a demo of this. This is the Neem Ayu Anti-Hair Fall Shampoo. This has Bringraj, this has Safed Chandan, Manjishtha, Amla. So basically this will deep clean your scalp and hair. This doesn't lather a lot, like you have to work a little hard to get that frothy lather. This doesn't lather much, and that pretty much shows that this is an Ayurvedic product, and Ayurvedic products generally don't give a lot of lather. So you have to work very hard to generate a good decent lather. To remove the oil you'll have to work a little hard. So I just used shampoo. I used a lot of shampoo to just remove the oil. And you have to use this shampoo twice a week for best results. This is the Neem Ayu Anti-Hair Fall Capsules. This is natural. This has 60 capsules. This has Amla, this has Ashwagandha, Bringraj, Brahmi and Manjishtha. So you have to take 1 or 2 capsules daily with water after meals, or you can take just 1 capsule daily after meals. The choice is yours. And this is how the capsule looks like. This is the size of the capsule. Do not take it on an empty stomach, take it after meals. So these are the 3 products which you can use to reduce hair fall. During the monsoon season, our hair definitely misbehaves a lot. We see a lot of hair fall, and it is very important to take care of this before you start losing a lot of hair. And instead of trying something chemical based, I think it is safe to use products that are Ayurvedic. They are gentle on your hair, they clean effectively, plus no side effects. Within 28 days of using these products, you will see a noticeable reduction in hair fall. Your hair will fall less, you'll see your hair is getting denser, and also you'll see new hair growth, like wherever you feel like your hairline is receding or anything, you'll see new hair growing. So this is really worth a try, especially during the monsoon season. I would definitely advise you to buy something like this, something Ayurvedic, something natural, and why not try this? So that was it. Do click the link in the description box and you do use this coupon code, and you don't have to buy the entire kit. You can buy single products as well. I mean, you can buy whatever suits you. If you're okay in having tablets, you can buy this, and if you're okay in applying oil, buy this, or shampoo. So I mean, you can buy according to your taste. So yes, do give this a try and let me know whether this worked for you or not. So that was it. I'll see you guys next time. It's another product. Until then, you guys please take care, and I love you all.